Hello everybody, hope that you are well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install ArcGIS 10.7. Follow the direction and click on Setup button. Here is the pop-up window of Windows installer. Wait for a while and you have to click on Next. Check the option I accept the master agreement and then complete Next, Next, and then click on the Install button. And it will take more than 15 minutes to be completed. Then click on Finish and give the options as those are there, and then click on OK. Click on Finish. OK. Now you can check it out. Go to the ArcGIS, like ArcMap 10.7. Yes, it's showing the ArcGIS ArcMap version 10.7. So here is an issue you can see, but no worry, follow the video to solve the issue. Click on OK. Go to the file as it shows here. Check out the how to patch file and copy this file and paste it in the following directory. So let's copy and paste this file to that directory. Go to local disk C and then program files and then ArcGIS and then desktop 10.7 as it shows here for my case, and then bin, and then paste the file here. Click on continue. Yeah, the file has been pasted here. Now go to ArcMap 10.7 and let's see if it works or not. It should be fixed for now. Yes, it is working. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.